Hi guys, welcome you all in this class. Today we are going to study about electromagnet. Electromagnet is the magnet which works on a magnetic effect of electric current. Students, we have studied during last classes that electricity produces different effects like heating effect, like some chemical effects and also magnetic effect. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के सारे इफेक्ट्स में मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स भी एक था, हम लोगों ने पढ़ा, हम लोग पढ़ चुके इसके बारे में। इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट जो जनरली वायर का एक क्वाइल के रूप में सॉफ्ट आयरन कोर के चारों तरफ लिपटा हुआ रहता है, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट्स यूजुअली consist of wire wound into a coil in the form of a coil around a soft iron core. So students, in case of electromagnet, when electric current flows, the magnetism produced, and as soon as the current is turned off, the magnetic field disappears. The wire turns are often wound around a magnetic core. Magnetic core is generally made up of soft iron, which is a type of ferromagnetic material. Ferromagnetic, like soft iron. Ferromagnetic materials are the materials which concentrates the magnetic field lines or magnetic flux. इसको हम आसान लैंग्वेज में इस तरह से समझेंगे कि फेरोमैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस को जमा करता है, कंसंट्रेट करता है एक जगह पे, उन्हें मिलाकर और जमा करके उसको मजबूत बनाता है, उसको मजबूती देता है. द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स इज रिजल्ट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस एंड by this way, by concentration of magnetic field lines, magnetism becomes more powerful. Hence, electromagnet uses a soft iron core and a coil of insulated copper wire is wrapped around the soft iron core. So, you can see in the diagram also a simple electromagnet consists of a coil of wire wrapped around a soft iron core. As you can see in the figure, a core of ferromagnetic material like soft iron. The strength of electromagnet depends upon the amount of current flows, the number of turns in the coil, and also the material used in the core, that is the core material. Magnetic field produced by solenoid, that is only coil, which consists only coil, it does not consist the soft iron inside it. The coil made up of copper wire with air as core material. जहाँ कुछ नहीं है इसके बीच में, इसके कॉइल के अंदर, कॉइल के बीच वाले स्पेस में अगर कुछ नहीं है, खाली है, तो क्या है? एयर. सो एयर acts as core material, which is not a ferromagnetic substance, which is not a ferromagnetic substance, so it does not behaves like soft iron in concentration of magnetic field lines or a strengthening of magnetic field. एयर कोर मटेरियल के रूप में रहने पर वह मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को उतना मजबूत नहीं कर पाता है जितना सॉफ्ट आयरन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को बढ़ाता है, उसको स्ट्रांग बनाता है, मजबूत बनाता है. सो दिस वाज द कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट along with solenoid. You can see in the diagram also. Now advantages, we will discuss the advantages of electromagnet over a permanent magnet. देखो, हमारे पास परमानेंट मैग्नेट भी है, बट what are the advantages of electromagnet over permanent magnet? Why we use electromagnet in place of permanent magnet? Let us discuss. And this will also make our concept clear about the differences between electromagnet and permanent magnets, how they differ in their uses, in their purposes. So the main advantage is that the magnetic field can be quickly changed by controlling the amount of electric current. Even magnetic field can be turned on or off with the help of a simple switch. If we press the switch on, current flows and magnetism produced. If switch is turned off, current stops and the magnetism also stops. However, unlike a permanent magnet which do not need power, an electromagnet requires continuous electrical energy, continuous supply of energy, electrical energy, to maintain its magnetic field. So you can see the permanent magnet works without taking continuous energy, any energy, but electromagnet needs electrical energy to work. So this may be a disadvantage, but electromagnets has its own uses. Also, it produces a stronger magnetic field. It can be made stronger than permanent magnet. So due to its strength and due to its switching control, that is on and off property, as per our requirement, our need, electromagnets are used in motors, generators, electromechanical solenoids, relays, loudspeakers, hard disks, yes, memory disks, hard disks, which are used in computers and laptops. So there are different devices. You can see MRI machine, many different scientific instruments. The function of these instruments are beyond your syllabus, so we are not going to discuss, but there are different instruments along with some toys which works on electromagnet. But the most common use of electromagnet I can suggest in the form of electric motor, speaker, etc. Electromotors have wide uses. Electromotors are used in electric fan, motor pump, and different types of toys, smaller and bigger machines, all run on these motors, electrical motors. And last but not least, electromagnets, the stronger electromagnets are used in the form of magnetic cranes. Magnetic cranes are used to lift heavy magnetic materials like scrap iron and steel in iron industries. So these were the variety of uses of electromagnets. So students, this is enough for this class. In next class, we will discuss more about electricity. Till then, goodbye.